This is our Symbaloo for the course. For Math 148, the majority of ours are in orange over here, and everything in the middle is stuff used by both classes. The green is restricted to Math 149. Our plan book is where you'll find your homework and what we plan on doing during the lessons each day, along with all the links to the material I am providing. The next one is where you'll find a link to our class notebook, which has all our notes and the information on creating Mathcast. If you choose this one, our class notebook, it takes a little bit to load and you want to open it in browser. The next one is just a link to take you to Connect for Success, which is in the portal to make appointments with me. The clock tower will take you to the JCC portal, where you can also visit Blackboard or the JCC website. Shobi is where you will turn in your hand-in assignments and find things such as your quizzes and tests. Engage New York will take you to engagenewyork.com, where you can find lessons that follow the Common Core curriculum for Engage New York. YouTube will take you to YouTube, where we tend to post most of our Mathcast. Peer Grade is an online application in which we can share our Mathcast with each other to get feedback. Along the top column are the main items we use, but in addition to that, we also have Nearpod, which you will find links to the Nearpod lessons directly in our plan book. So when you're inside plan book, if it says Nearpod, it will take you to here. Quizlet is an online flashcard vocabulary practice application. There is both an app for it, or you can do it just directly through Safari. Kahoot is similar to Quizlet, but more meant for the whole class. Padlet is the place where we're actually going to store all the contents of our portfolio for the course. So at the end of the course, you will create a portfolio inside Padlet. I give you the template to use, along with many instructions that are posted inside Shobi. My Math Lab is useful if you bought your textbook brand new. You will usually have a code that will allow you to access my Math Lab, where there is an e-textbook as well as some video applications for each section. When you choose our class notebook, the first screen you see may be this welcome screen. If you want to see more, you need to choose this icon here. If you do not see this, then you will want to select these three lines. These three lines will increase your menu options so that you can see both the main tabs along with what is inside each tab. Now some of them, with a little arrow, have additional sub-tabs within. After you do this, you'll see our different tabs, including our chapters, and the one that we want to go to today, which is the one that says Mathcast. And this will give you your different options you have here. So you're going to choose the Mathcast, and then that will change all of this to be the options under Mathcast. So if we choose the Mathcast, and then we'll get these subtopics of the different chapters and the Engage New York lessons. So if I want to do Mathcast and I've been assigned to do a Chapter 3 Mathcast, I'm going to choose this one. And what that'll do is that'll change all of these here to be lessons related to Chapter 3 material. You can also scroll down by sliding this bar down. You will see, for example, in this one we have addition and subtraction lessons for grade 2, So this is grade 2, mod 4, lesson 4. The one I've highlighted right here is grade 2, mod 4, lesson 28 on subtraction. If you go down further, you'll see some on fractions as well. And again, you can scroll down further. If you do this, then over here, I usually have a link that will take you directly to the Engage New York, or you can go out to Symbaloo and find it there as well. Just take note before you leave of the grade, the module, and the lesson. When you open this lesson inside Engage New York, you will see a much better quality version of the PDF. Inside here, I have put the PDF so you can glance at it to see what you're interested in. But before taking graphics, I highly recommend going to the Engage New York website.